Have you ever wondered how data is available online? How data is used by different apps and services? How Zomato is using maps? How can we check weather online on our mobile devices? How can we book our flight tickets using our devices? All of this is possible through APIs. What is an API? So, API stands for Application Programming Interface. To speak plainly, API is the messenger that takes the request and tells the system what you want to do and returns the response back to you. Let's understand this with an example. Think of an API as a waiter in a restaurant. Imagine you are sitting at the table with the menu of choices to order from, and the kitchen is part of a system which will prepare your order. What's missing is the critical link to communicate your order to the kitchen and deliver your food back to the table. That's where waiter or API comes in. The waiter is the messenger that takes your request or order and tells the system, in this case the kitchen, what to do and delivers response back to you, in this case food. Now that we have understood what API is, let's apply this to a real API example. We use apps like Ola, Uber and Zomato. We see maps in all these apps. In that map, if we order food online, we can check the location of a delivery boy. Have you ever wondered where these maps come in the app? These apps take the map data from Google Map API. These apps don't directly interact with the Google Maps. They use Google Maps API and request for the maps. You will be thinking, in this way any app can misuse any API's data. But API provides another layer of security to protect the API data through API key. So API key is a security code used by the app or developer to access a particular API. The first advantage of using API key is security. How security? Like apps cannot directly interact with the system, they use API and API requires an API key for authentication. The second advantage is monitoring. How monitoring? With the API key, we can keep a track of requests coming from which particular app, and apps also cannot do illegal activities as all the requests are being tracked with the help of API keys.